Today is the 17th of November 2021. We have Rautkalliontie, 7 staircase E. It's E, or is it F?
E.
It's E, staircase E. Here in Havukoski, but it's also in Kone, Björkby, Vantaa, Östra Vantaa, Eastern Vantaa, in Helsinki, South region, Uusimaa, and Finland. This one is rare, the device is worker, so 305 grams. That sign is rare.
Yeah.
And there are 7 floors here, built in 1973. They are 45 years old in 2018, and the number is H29824. It's going to be inspected next year, 2022. Without memory.
Yeah.
It was impossible to get inside here, but maybe we can find the code later.
Yeah.
Well, it's low, but still amazing.
Yeah. Film staircase F.
Yeah. But I can film staircase F.
Yeah.
In the winter.
Mm. And of course, TV has filmed both staircases.
Yeah. Maybe we should later on film more in Corso because there's some more there.
Yeah.
Like complete Corso later.
Yeah, next year probably.
Yeah. Yes, of course. Another ride. And silent.
Yeah. It's feedback device maintained by Kone.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's